Story in an update to the Shri Krishna Janmabhoomi-Shahi Idgah Masjid dispute case. The trial will begin today in the Mathura district court. Both the parties will appear in the lower court in the case that is related to the plea of the Supreme Court, Advocate Mr. Jain, Vishwashankar Jain, as well as Ranjan Agnihotri. Now, in the claim, the 1968 agreement between the Shahi Idgah Masjid and the Shri Krishna Janmabhoomi Seva Sansthan have been challenged. We have Sabyasachi, who is tracking the developments on the case from day one, joining us. Sabyasachi, now all eyes are going to be on the court. We have a lot of focus in Gyanvapi. This is also one of the issues that is long-standing, several decades that it has been in dispute. Now the challenge is that the agreement that was made in 1968 does not stand anymore.
Absolutely. See, in 1968, the agreement was made between Seva Sangh and the Idgah Masjid Committee. And right then, the Krishna Janmabhoomi Trust, they said that Seva Sangh does not have the authority to make this agreement. And after that, they had rejected the Seva Sangh and created Seva Sansthan. Now, the Muslim side said that the Seva Sangh, which was rejected by the Krishna Janmabhoomi Trust, is the authorized society which was formed by the trust itself, and that is the point that the Muslim side is going to raise in the court today. And now the group of lawyers who had filed the plea in the lower court along with the Krishna Janmabhoomi Trust, the matter is going to be heard at 11 a.m. Earlier, as we know, that the matter was filed in the lower court before, but the lower court had rejected the application twice. Later, these group of lawyers and Krishna Janmabhoomi Trust filed an application in the district and session court here in Mathura, where the court said that the revision is maintainable and the devotees have the right to seek their deity, and in this particular case, the 1991 Places of Worship Act does not apply. So these were the words of the district and session court, and they had ordered the lower court to take up the hearing from today onwards. So it's going to be very crucial, where both the sides are going to put forth their points, whereas the Hindu side, from which Vishwashankar Jain, Harish Shankar Jain, Ranjana Agnihotri and other private lawyers, including the Krishna Janmabhoomi Trust, they had filed an application. They are saying that they have government records on which there is name of Krishna Janmabhoomi Trust and there is no name of Idgah Masjid. So they are questioning on the ownership of the Krishna Janmabhoomi Trust, that the 13.37 acres of land on which the Idgah Masjid is built belongs to the trust, and this particular land should be given to the trust.
Okay.
And now the court, apart from looking at all the revenue documents and other government records, they are also going to argue. So,
Sabyasachi, today the court is going to decide on that, and we'll keep a track of all those developments. Thank you for now for getting us all those details. We're shifting focus to Varanasi as well on Gyanvapi, what's expected today. It's a big day today. We'll get you all those details after a short break.